How to make your Shopify store look professional. 1. Choose a clean and modern theme. Select a theme from the Shopify theme store that reflects your brand and looks polished. Preview different themes to ensure they are mobile responsive. And customize the theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand identity. 2. Optimize for mobile. Choose a responsive theme and ensure your store functions perfectly across all screen sizes. Pay close attention to image sizes, navigation, and loading speed to provide a seamless mobile experience. 3. Use high-quality visuals. Take high-quality photos with multiple angles and close-ups, maintaining a consistent style and background. Include lifestyle images that show products in use. Remember to compress images to improve load times without sacrificing quality. 4. Create consistent branding. Develop clear brand guidelines defining your colors, fonts, and tone of voice. Apply these elements consistently across your entire store, including your logo, favicon, email templates, and product descriptions. 5. Make navigation intuitive. Design a simple and organized main menu with logical product categories and subcategories. Ensure your search bar is visible and functional. And use breadcrumb navigation to help users understand their location on the site. Include essential links in the footer for easy access. 6. Write professional copy. Craft clear, concise, and compelling product descriptions that emphasize product benefits. Maintain a consistent brand voice across all content, and proofread carefully to eliminate typos and errors. Optimize your copy for SEO to improve search rankings. 7. Showcase reviews and testimonials. Customer reviews are powerful trust signals. Encourage reviews through follow-up emails and use apps like Judge Me to manage them. Display testimonials prominently on your homepage and product pages. And engage with customers by responding to feedback. 8. Build trust with security measures. Ensure your store has an SSL certificate and display trust badges and secure payment icons. Provide clear return, shipping, and privacy policies. Offer secure payment options like PayPal and Stripe, and include multiple customer support contact methods. 9. Optimize for speed. A fast-loading store improves user experience and SEO. Compress images, minimize app usage, and choose a reliable hosting provider. Bonus tip: use Veda. It offers a drag-and-drop builder, pre-designed templates, responsive design features, advanced design options, conversion-focused elements, and real-time editing capabilities.